Now this is a simple problem for 2 marks. However, I would explain this answer a bit in depth for the students who are struggling to answer. So if you just sketch the diagram, you don't need to sketch the diagram, but for your reference, if you sketch the diagram, we get the ratio of the sides as 2:4:5. So I can write the length as 2k, 4k and 5k. So we get 2k, 4k and 5k, and the problem is asked to find out the largest angle. So we know that largest angle is the angle opposite to the longest side. So here we have to find out this angle denoted with theta to identify the largest angle. In order to calculate this value of this angle, we can use cosine rule. You must remember cosine rule, which is a squared equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos theta. So remember, a is the opposite side to the corresponding angle which we are going to find out, in this case theta. B and C represents the adjacent sides of the particular angle. So according to this problem, we have to we know the opposite side, which is 5k. So we get 5k squared equals to 2k squared, which are the adjacent sides, plus 4k squared minus 2 times 2k times 4k times cos theta. So if we simplify, we get 25k squared, 4k squared plus 16k squared minus 16k squared cos theta. Now we can simplify this further. If we bring this 4k squared plus 16k squared to the left side, that gives us 25k squared minus 20k squared, and our answer simplifies to 5k squared on the left side. On the right side we get minus 16k squared cos theta. You can see that k is a constant, non-zero constant, therefore it cancels out, and our cos theta equals to minus 5/16. Now theta can be calculated. You can use the calculator for this. Cos inverse minus 5/16, and the calculator would give you an answer of approximately 108.2 degrees. So the value of largest angle is 108.2 degrees. Let's move on to part B. Given that the area of the triangle is 140 centimeters squared, find the length of the shortest side in centimeters to one decimal place. Let's move on to this part B. You must remember the formula to find out the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is given by half AB sine C. Again, where A and B are the adjacent sides, C is the included angle. So if you use the angle that we already found, we get half times A and B are the adjacent sides for the given angle, which is 2k times 4k times sine theta. Theta is the value that we already found, equals to 140. From this formula, from this relationship, we can find out sine theta is equivalent to sine theta is equivalent to 140 over 4k squared. And since we know the value of theta, k value can be found using 140 over sine 108.2, and we also have a 4, which actually gives us k squared value. And then if you simplify, the k value is 6.07. But the shortest side is actually 2k, so our answer should be twice the value of, so the length of the shortest side should be twice k, which is 12.1 in centimeters.